Welcome to day 4 in our journey to the summer solstice. Today we start our focus on clearing out the physical. This continues on our journey of cleansing and clearing and detoxifying, which we started yesterday on day 3 as we begun to release the fatigue and the stresses of the year. Today, we're going to imagine our spaces and do a cleansing visualization. So find a quiet space and get comfortable in a seated position. Give yourself time to arrive and to enjoy this nourishing time out. Begin with a few deep breaths and a relaxing of your body. If you can allow a pause between the in-breath and the out-breath, all the better. After we do our cleansing visualization today, you may like to get started with some real cleaning, another great way to close out the year. To start with though, let's take ourselves back to the beach where we're being nourished by the glowing light of the sun as it ascends the sky. Today, once again, it's a little higher and you can feel a touch more warmth in the air, which is vital and fresh. Let yourself relax and take some time to imagine the physical spaces that you occupy in your life. Imagine that they are appearing to you one by one. And we're going to imagine holding them in our imagination and starting to clean them. Let's start with our creative spaces. So wherever you do creative work, imagine that room coming to life before your eyes. For me, this is my art studio. For you, it might be your studio, your writing desk, or your kitchen table, or your garage, or a cafe. Imagine that space before you. It's early morning, and the light is soft and cool. And everywhere you look, things are calm and organized. Your workspace is clean. Your books are neatly stacked and sorted. And you have a sense of everything being in its perfect space. You feel yourself and your energy in the room. There's powerful energy here, ready for you to step back into whenever you're ready. But there is also patience. This space will be ready for you when you are ready to return, when you have rested, when you have taken time out to unwind, to breathe more deeply, and to relax. This space starts to fade away. And as it does so, you see another one of your personal spaces appearing before you. And this time it's your workspace with your computer, your to-do lists, and all the things that make life busy and interesting. You notice that the space feels light and airy, and once again, everything feels in order. Your computer is turned off. The screens are dust-free and clean. Your notebooks are in an orderly pile. There are fresh yellow flowers on the table. And if you have windows, they have been opened wide. There is a sense of calm. There is nothing urgent to be done. This space also has a feeling of positive energy, of vitality connected to your work and your career and your sense of self. But similar to the feeling in your creative space, You feel a sense of permission to leave this area for a time. You know that when the time is right, you'll return refreshed and recharged. The space fades away and is replaced by the room which holds your wardrobe. Perhaps it's your bedroom or a walk-in wardrobe. You open the doors and once more enjoy a sense of calm. All of your winter clothes have been washed and put away, and all of your summer clothes are hanging already on the shelves for you. All of the items that you need to enjoy summer are close at hand. Sandals, hats, sunscreen, sunglasses. Everything is in its place. Everything feels beautifully clean and soft when you touch your garments. There is nothing to be done. Your wardrobe fades away and you start to hear the gentle sound of the waves again. Back on the beach, you walk to the water's edge and take a moment to appreciate the peace and the quiet. You have a sense that in all of the spaces that you occupy, there is nothing that needs to be done. Everything is in a good place. Everything is tidy, orderly, and you have permission to leave these spaces and take time out. You have time to idle here at the water's edge, enjoying the cool air and the gentle rays of the sun. You breathe in the fresh sea air. You feel the salt on your skin. And you enjoy this sense of vastness, of being part of the ocean and the sky and the air and the light, all part of the ecosystem of nature and the ecosystem of ourselves as well. As you feel ready, you allow yourself to open your eyes, feeling calm, restored, and peaceful. You are ready to greet the day.